It's time to get those wish lists and shopping lists ready for VB Cyber Monday specials. There's a lot for me to cover, so I'll be touching base on some of the big things. Head to the VB blog link in the description for more details. Alright, let's get going. First things first, let's talk about the new release collab with some VB friends from the Black Planner community. The first pen for the collab is called Brown Sugar. It is designed by Crystal from the Diva Diaries. I first met Crystal in Vegas for Go Wild, and I asked her to design a pen, and it turned out gorgeous. It is a warm brown shimmery paint with rose gold hardware and a mix of rose and fuchsia crystals. Isn't this gorgeous? It's very different from what I normally design, so it's nice when we bring in guest designers to do something different. The second pen from the release is called the Freckled Kisses, designed by the Freckled Planner. I've known Nicole for a while now. She helped me set up the villabeauTIFFul Facebook group. She's part of the VB team, so I just had to have her design a pen. And I want you guys to read the description in the listing for her pen. It is, I just love how she designed her pen in the background story. The specs for her pen, it is a aqua matte paint, rose gold hardware with clear aquamarine and blush crystals. Next up is Planner Bay, designed by Nicole's husband, Desmond. He's wanted to design a pen for the longest time, even when Nicole was part of the VB team, and so I had to make his dream, his wish come true. It is like, I would probably say like an army green matte paint, gold hardware, and black crystals. Very sleek, and I hope you guys like this one. For all you pink lovers out there, you're going to love this gorgeous pen named Gorgeous, designed by Indy and Ivy Ink. I first met Londa back in Arizona for the Arizona Planner Girls meetup, and I just love her stuff. This is a kind of deep rose glossy paint, rose gold hardware, and a mix of pink crystals. We always have a mystery pen for Cyber Monday. So this is the mystery pen. It's called Frosty. I don't reveal what the actual pen looks like. So, you know, it is a mystery. There's clues here and there, but the actual pen will be revealed when it sells out. Can you guess what the colors might be? I forgot to mention, you guys, the pens will be on sale! Yay, 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 yay! To make your holiday shopping a little bit easier for you this year, I've put together little gift sets, each with a particular theme. There's pens, there's stickers, there's enamel pins, there's something for everyone, and I'm sure there's someone on your list, or maybe even you, that would love one of these. I'm going to go quickly through the new gift sets. This one is Shopaholic. It is the Cyber Monday exclusive gift set. The pen in this one is brand new. It's so pretty in person. The paint, it's really hard to describe. It's kind of a lavender nude pink, like a cooler tone pink. It has lavender, sapphire, and clear crystals with rose gold hardware. You can only get this pen in the kit. This is a really basic sticky note, and then new tab bookmarks and pretty neutral colors. There's also washi tape. This is a bow washi tape, rose gold foiling. What a great set to give to your planner bestie. This set is very close to my heart. This is a Tiffy gift set. It's a really cute, whimsical little package that we put together. This is a brand new pen. It's called Au Natural. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a nudish, a beige nude matte pen, gunmetal hardware, and clear crystals. A very basic pen that will go with everything. A Tiffy sticky note, a Tiffy enamel pin, and then new Tiffy puffy stickers. I love these. So, and this puffy stickers are only available in the set for now. For all the gamers in your life that love playing the game Animal Crossing, I am one of them. This is a little fun gift set for all the Animal Crossing lovers. You get a Wonton in a Million sticker sheet and washi tape with Celeste. Celeste is my favorite character. I love her. But I can never find the shooting stars. Anyways, this is Acrylic Keychain by Bare Necessities Stickers, and 2 previously released VBPens, one in Nook ink and the other one in Dodo Air. Perfect little gift for that gamer. This set is packed with adorable goodies for all the cuties in your life. Your little kitty is going to love this new VB pen. It is a light, pale, sparkly pink pen with silver hardware, light pink and clear crystals with little gold hearts in it. Super cute, don't you think? There's other goodies in here as well. A sticky note from Paper Kumako, some vinyl stickers from her as well, and 2 villabeauTIFFul enamel pins, 1 rainbow and 1 cute little planner bear. Need something a little bit more professional for that special someone on your list? Don't worry, got you covered. This is the professional set. You get this basic grid sticky note, some gunmetal wide paper clips, and 2 VB pens. One is Frankie, which you're probably seen back in Halloween, and the other one is a new pen. It is called Cement. So let me show you Frankie, if I can find the right pen. I have so many pens on my desk, as you guys can see, but this one is Frankie. Reminds me of Frankenstein, and this one is Cement. This one is going to be so popular when it is released on its own. It is kind of like a nude gray color with smoky gunmetal crystals. It's so pretty in person. You'll be able to get this pen at a later date, so don't you worry if you miss out on the gift set. Looking for a gift set for the coffee lover in your life? Look no further. This beautiful set of coffee themed planner supplies is sure to perk up their day. This one is a Cappuccino Bb Pen. We've previously launched this last month. You do get the check it off sticky note, the Cafe Papershire page flags, and a Caffeine and Paper Co. coffee sampler sticker sheet. Everything for that coffee lover. It would be cute too to add a little Starbucks gift card. The last gift set that I'm going to showcase in the reveal video is called Stargazer. It features the Shooting Stars BB pen that was released with the Animal Crossing inspired pens. The next thing is, the Rose Colored Days clear tape, has stars on it. It's really pretty. And Sadie stickers, little sampler foiled sticker sheets with stars on it. Oh, and this really pretty wide paper dangle clip with a star on it too. So that is the Shooting Stars gift set for all those astronomy lovers out there. Yes, there's more. These things I just want to briefly touch base on. These are clear pen sleeves. They fit a single VB pen. I've gotten so many requests to bring these back, so I thought the perfect time would be for the holiday season. You just put your pen in here. I like it because it's clear, so you can see the crystals, you can see the paint and the hardware. And I couldn't slip the top through the, you can see I'm having trouble because of my nails, but it's really easy. They look great when you put them in, like on gifts. You can put them, like for stocking stuffers, like kind of peeking through the top. That would be a really great idea. But look how nice they look. Very professional. Yeah. Oh, the next thing I want to show you. Okay, so this is the Shine Bright kit. I believe this kit was for April. We found a lot of extras. They were just kind of hiding. This does have it in perfect pen though. That's just lightly marked on the bottom saying that's imperfect. So if you did miss this kit, it's a great time to buy it. The VB single sticker sheets will be on sale while supplies last. Help us clean out the inventory so we can bring out the new and improved stickers to the shop coming the new year. Can't wait to show you guys. For easy holiday shopping, I did make a section of the website called the VB Gift Shop, so make sure you check there for all of the gift sets and some more products that I didn't feature here in this reveal video. And that's a wrap for VB Cyber Monday 2020. Don't forget, if you missed any info, you can find the link to the VB blog post in this description box below. The blog post has a lot of detailed info to answer any questions that you may have. Sending you love and joy this holiday season. Bye!